Right, we made it down that trek. I won't be doing that again with the pram. But we made it. And now we just got to keep going down. What a view. Right, let's try and catch, at least we're walking towards the sun. Catch a bit more sunset. Bumpy, is it? So I was just laughing to myself, thinking what some of that footage might look like. Especially you holding the camera, if you go and me panicking. With you dropping it. Good job, my camera trainee. Yeah, we're going to us now. See. See the aeroplane up in the sky. Alright, I think we're going to get a good, yeah. That's the one. And the moon. See? Hmm? The sun? The sole? Solar? Solar shine? Solar. Solar is the sun. Beautiful. Sorry about the noise of the pram. Not much I can do. Cactuses up there. Oh, I hope it gets a bit less rocky. Some of the pathways are more, they're like wooden walkways and stuff. How is it on the small rock? Oh my word, look at that place. Look to the left down the hill. Hugo, you're like, look at that pool. What is that? I'd love to, obviously some private members club. I can't imagine. That looks amazing. Wow. Bless you, Hugo. So yeah, we're making our way down.